Hi guys, and I'm making another video, and I'm reviewing I'm reviewing the Stygimoloch Dinosaur Escape, and it has 129 pieces. It has Stygimoloch, Ben, Brooklyn, Claire, and Bumpy, but it doesn't say Bumpy. And so let's get started. Wait. Okay, so we also have Anyways, also this one is recommended for ages 4 and up. Okay, so now we have this one too. Anyways, we also have the T-Rex dinosaur fossil exhibit, and it's recommended for ages 7 and up, and it has 198 pieces. It has this T-Rex fossil, Owen, Darius, and this baby Triceratops. Anyways, let's get started. First we have Bumpy. Then we have the Stygimoloch. Then we have Ben. He has the fanny pack. Anyways, and you have a smile. You have a face with a smile. And you have a worried face. He has a worried face. Anyways, then you have Brooklyn. She has a smile. She has a smile on her face. And she has a shocked look on her face. So Brooklyn. And so Ben comes with this shovel and like a radio, a walkie-talkie, and then Brooklyn comes with this stick of a carrot on it, like to feed the Stygimoloch. Oh, and we also have Claire. And we have this fence, and we have this vehicle with tranquilizer gun, and we have this tranquilizer dart, and we have this, and to put Claire in it. then we could put Claire and the Stygimoloch in it. And then we also have this sign with the Jurassic logo on there. Like with the logo on there. Like then, we have this camp with, like we have the camp with a tree. Also, there's a shovel that comes with Ben. Yeah, also, anyways. And there's a slide too. Tree, yeah. Like this is a tree house, and there's a bed right there. Oh, and the shovel is so. Oh, and there's an egg too. There's a egg cracked open. So that was the Stygimoloch Dinosaur escape leg set. Then we have the T-Rex Dinosaur fossil exhibit. Okay, so we have this T-Rex fossil. Oh. And we have this sticker that says Tyrannosaurus Rex on there. Okay, so then we also have this, the T-Rex tooth and the egg. Yeah. Then we have this baby Triceratops. No, wrong baby Triceratops. Okay, guys, that was the wrong one. Okay. Let me get the right one. Okay, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Anyways, but this is the right baby Triceratops. Yeah, that was from that one was from a different Lego set. I accidentally got the wrong one. Anyways, but this is the right one. Yeah. So it's this one. Then you have Owen. And you have Darius. Okay, so, oh, and I forgot to tell you guys what the set numbers were. So like for this one, it was set 76940. And this one, it was 76939. So yeah, anyway, so that was the video, guys. So bye, guys.